Hi everybody, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and I am participating in the Outdoors Christmas Decoration Challenge. Now, one of the requirements was you have to show your outside space before you decorate. So here is the front of the house before we decorate. So just showing you the front view. I know I'm going too fast with this camera. So, here is the front of the house. Here. So, I am going to start. Okay guys, here's how my yard looks. The bushes out front and around the front door. Didn't get to put the ones up there up top because it was raining today. So those didn't get finished. But I did finish the porch. As you see the cardboard there. Yeah, I was on the ladder, moved, fell, hit the glass. Only a little piece is broken out, but my husband put cardboard up there to just take it anyway. And then here is my little tree outside. And I have icicle lights around. And then around the door you see the garland. And then my sign is my little reindeer. Here. I think he's cute. I've had him for years. I think he was purchased at Hobby Lobby years ago. But guys, here is my porch. Here's my wreath. My DIY wreath. You'll see a video coming up of how I made that pretty soon. But guys, soon as I get the other lights up, let me back up so you can see. Soon as I'm able to put the lights up top on the house there, I'll come back and I'll put a picture up on here and maybe on Instagram showing you when all the lights are across the front of the house. But until then guys, oh, one thing I forgot. Okay, that's what I forgot. I put a Santa Claus hat on my little pot man. So, guys, as soon as the rest of my lights are up, I will let you see the remainder or the rest of my decor on the outside. But until then, if you like my content, guys, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please click that subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell. Once you click that bell, a notification screen will appear. It will ask you to send all notifications for this channel. Click the box and then click save. And then guys, you will be notified every time I upload a video. And also guys, if you can follow me on my social media accounts, they'll be listed below on the screen as well down below in the description. And as always guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you guys for watching, and you be blessed.